Each year, Apple reshapes our expectations of what a portable device can be. From the earliest iPads to the latest MacBooks, the company has built a legacy of transforming bold ideas into sleek, powerful tools that redefine how we work, create, and stay connected. In 2025, the spotlight turns to the next major leap in this journey, the iPad Pro with Apple's groundbreaking M5 chip. Refinement over reinvention. While the tech world often expects revolutionary overhauls, Apple's strategy is different. The Psycho company prioritizes refinement, doubling down on what already works and layering in more power, more efficiency, and more possibility. The iPad Pro has always been a vehicle for that philosophy, and the M5 model looks set to take it even further. The journey to M5, a foundation of innovation, Apple's transition to its own silicon was a watershed moment. The M1 chip introduced laptop-grade performance to the iPad, all while keeping the device incredibly thin and light. Successive generations, the M2 and M4, pushed boundaries in graphics, energy efficiency, and pro-level workflows. The 2024 M4 iPad Pro, stunned with its tandem OLED display and razor-thin chassis, delivering an immersive visual experience that seemed to defy the physical limits of hardware. But with the excitement of the M4 fading, the question now is, what's next? Enter the M5. Power, precision, possibility. The M5 iPad Pro isn't a radical departure. It's a masterclass in pushing boundaries from within a proven framework. At its core is the new M5 chip, rumored to be built on a refined 3nm process that delivers more transistors, higher efficiency, and dramatically improved graphics and AI capabilities. The result? A device that can handle what used to take minutes or hours in real time. Whether it's rendering a complex animation, training an AI model, or editing high-res video, the M5 iPad Pro is built to empower creators and professionals without compromise. Hardware and software in perfect sync. What makes Apple's devices truly stand out is the synergy between hardware and software. The M5 will reportedly unlock advanced multitasking in iPad OS, enabling seamless use of pro-grade apps like Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, and Adobe Creative Suite, even simultaneously. Apple's unified memory architecture ensures minimal lag when juggling massive files or running resource-hungry apps, while smarter on-device machine learning enables instant responsiveness to voice, gesture, or touch. A display that defies limits. The tandem OLED display, first introduced with the M4, returns. In the M5 iPad Pro, offering unmatched brightness, contrast, and color depth. For digital artists and video professionals, this means true blacks, HDR clarity, and color accuracy at a level that rivals the best studio monitors. Expect continued support for Display P3, variable refresh rates, and features that make everything, from drawing to streaming, feel more immersive and alive. Design. Don't fix what's already. Perfect Apple isn't expected to redesign the M5 iPad Pro's chassis, and for good reason. The M4 set a new bar with its ultra-thin aluminum enclosure, magnetic Apple Pencil dock, and smart connector. The M5 continues that tradition, focusing on precision refinements rather than radical changes. Performance for every professional. The M5 iPad Pro is built for those who push the limits. Animators rendering 3D scenes, developers compiling code, business leaders managing multiple workflows, and gamers seeking console-quality performance. Thanks to the M5's upgraded GPU, games will load faster, run smoother, and maintain better thermals. As developers increasingly embrace iPad OS and controller support matures, the iPad Pro becomes an even more compelling alternative to traditional consoles. All-day power without compromise, performance without battery life, is meaningless. The M5 chip is expected to maintain Apple's reputation for all-day use, 10 to 12 hours on a single charge, even during mixed usage. Smarter power management and energy-efficient architecture mean less time plugged in and more time creating, presenting, or relaxing. Storage, memory, and future-proofing. Storage and RAM options are expected to remain robust, with base models offering 8 GB of RAM and high-end configurations reaching 16 GB or more. Storage will likely cap at $2 TB, giving creatives and professionals room for massive video libraries, design files, and app collections. Thanks to Apple's integrated approach to hardware and software, the M5 iPad Pro will offer years of high performance, usability, future OS updates, and compatibility with accessories. Pricing and release timing. Apple is expected to continue its tiered pricing model: 11-inch base model, $999, 13-inch model, $599, we are $499 high storage tiers. Premium pricing. Mass production is reportedly in the final validation stages, with a public launch projected for late 2025 or early 2026. As always, Apple's supply chain discipline will be key in meeting demand. Final thoughts. The new benchmark for tablets. The M5 iPad Pro doesn't aim to reinvent the wheel, it perfects it. With unmatched performance, a jaw-dropping display, and deep hardware-software integration, this next-gen device is more than just a tablet or laptop alternative. It's a category of its own. For professionals, students, creators, and power users alike, the M5 iPad Pro is shaping up to be the most capable, refined portable device Apple has ever built, and perhaps the most exciting tablet ever made.